Everyone, welcome to a very different kind of video today. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my special cheese omelette. It's a very simple cheese omelette, but it's really light. We have taken 2 eggs over here that I'm going to beat thoroughly in the bowl, and you're going to have to whisk it really well so that there's no unbeaten part of the egg there. I don't know what happened to my accent right there. So it's a very simple one. I'm just going to put my frying pan on preheating. I'm going to put it on the stove. I'm just going to increase the heat over there. I'm coming back here, and I'm going to be making this one with very simple salt and chilies. So since there are 2 eggs, I take 2 pinches of salt and then just slight bit more. Of course, we have to add the cheese in there as well, and 1 pinch of red chilies. Now you can add quite a few of other things as well in here, including spring onions, regular onions, tomatoes, or whatever you want. Mushrooms go really well with this. And I just wanted to keep it very simple. This is a quick fix for the early mornings when you are in the rush. Just going to whisk it up real quick and really good. And you're going to take some olive oil. Just going to pause the video for a second, and I'm right back. I had a little trouble opening the bottle earlier. Just going to use a bit of olive oil. Going to spread it around with the spatula. You don't have to use too much oil because you're already adding cheese and you don't want that much more fat in there. Just going to remove this from here and just give it a few seconds to heat up. And in the meantime, we're just going to make sure that our egg is well beaten. Need to cover the oil, and this is how I check whether the oil is heated up well enough or not. And just another few more seconds, and we'll be right back when the oil is heated up. And we are back, guys, and I've taken the liberty of just pouring the omelette onto the frying pan. We're going to be doing this throughout, making sure that it's not sticking to the edges. I'm just going to wait for it to cook a little bit so it's not too runny when we flip it over. Oops. I'm going to be pausing through the boring part so you guys don't have to skip yourself. So okay guys, here comes the important part. I have just flipped the omelette over, and this is the Happy Cow cheddar cheese that I like to use. I'm just going to place it on the omelette. I'm going to break the slices and just place them over here. So it's all nice and cheesy, and I'm going to just flip it halfway so cheese settles in and melts real nice. And I'm just going to give it another flip and just press it a little. And I'm just going to, oops, sorry about that. This is slipping a bit too much from here today, and here we go. I'm just going to cut it into it and show you guys how good it is. Actually might have to just put it back on for a few more seconds. The cheese starts to melt real good. And there you go. Nice and oozy. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Dad Reviews with a simple cheese omelette. Do try it at home and let us know how you like it in the comment section below. Take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below.